Okay. Look, we just walked into. That's nice. Uh-oh, the boat rocking.
Yeah.
Isn't this cool? That's nice. Now, you can't tell me this is not a happy 50th, right?
Yeah, it is.
And we got some what? Champagne?
Hi, Fred.
I know. Some champagne and some treats. What he put in here? Oh, you got some macaroons. Neat. Oh, that's nice.
Okay.
That did that for you. That is so nice. Turn the light off, hon. We gotta get the whole experience. Whoa. Oh, that's nice. I didn't see the bed. See, something told me to put our stuff up.
My wife always likes to. What's the word I'm looking for?
Macaroons.
You're all in my picture.
Oh, I thought. Oh, excuse me, sir. Excuse me. All right.
I'm gonna turn the light off.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Don't
I
you?
have hit it a couple times.
Oh.
Hi, I'm back.
Party.
Okay, I got the cake for you.
Thank you.
Alright.
Thanks, Rod.
You're welcome.
Alright. That is pretty cool. Don't worry about the madness. Babe, you got a good birthday. Happy 50th.
Mm-hmm.
That's what's
Thank
up.